hasn't already started getting firm on, you just take your paper towel, wipe your stir stick off, and you can use that again. Yeah, you don't want to have to go. I mean, they're not expensive, but you don't want to have to go through a bunch of stuff like this right here. You got a little bit of that Bondo on the end. Only thing you got to do is just take this lacquer thinner, spray right on it just like that right there. Take a paper towel, it'll wipe right off. If it don't wipe off, you can actually take this stuff and just wash it right out of the little creases. Just like that right there. It does not take much at all. Does not take much effort at all. Yep. There you go. Take some of this and shoot right down the inside of this. Take a paper towel, stick in there, clean it out. Just like so. Bring it out. Take another paper towel, just wipe the outside off, and it's done. Ready for the next one. That's all there is to it. Alright, before we start putting the cape on, we want to kind of do, bring it back to its natural width and state. So this, we'll just grab the hide and snatch by hand, stretch it out a little bit. This is called snapping the hide. The only thing you're doing is just stretching the hide a little bit to bring it back to its original diameter, neck diameter. You can do it this way, snatch on it if you want to, or you can put it on a hide stretcher like I got right here. Let me back out a little bit here and show you guys what that is. Adjust the camera a little bit. I got so many tools in here. This here is a hydraulic hide stretcher. So you don't end up having to sit there and do all the snatching and all. You just take it and slip it over the hide, get it in the neck area, right here. Bring the ears together, right along there, looks good. And then you just stretch the hide. It just stretches the neck, the shoulder areas, stretches it right out. Now this is the maximum stretch you're going to get. Yeah. And you got a good stretch right in there. So you don't have to sit here and do all that snatching. You just crank it open, get it good and tight. You can maybe give it a couple of pumps in about a couple of minutes and it'll give you a maximum stretch, which you can get. You can also you can wrap your hide up in a plastic bag while it's stretching. That way that will keep it from drying, because as long as there's air circulating through it, the hide is starting to dry at this point. And you want to keep it moist and pliable. I normally leave it up there probably during the time that I'm prepping the mannequin and putting the eyes in. Alright, we get ready to put the glass eyes in. We're getting ready to center them up, making sure they're horizontal to the floor. We're going to be using a certain type of clay to set these eyes with and also do the eye work. And what I use is critter clay, another product from Den Taxidermy. And I am in no way sponsored by these people. Just however, they got some great products. This particular clay here though, it's soft and pliable, it's easy to use, and it retains excellent detail. And the big thing about it is that it naturally hardens. You don't have to bake it, and it will hold its shape. You'll get excellent results from it. All right, let's get into it. First thing we're going to do, see if I can zoom in up on this mannequin so you guys can see better. Alright, what we're going to be doing is first try to get the mannequin eye in the center of the screen. That's what we're going to be doing first, I guess. Alright, what we're going to do here is we got the glass eye. If you look on the back side of the glass eye, you're going to see the pupil. The pupil runs this direction. It does not run this direction. It runs this direction. What we're going to do, we're going to take some of the clay and we're going to overfill the inside of this eye, this glass eye, just a little bit, just enough so that when we go to press it, it will ooze out around the edges. Also in the eye socket here, we're going to put just a little bit. I put a couple of holes in the base of this, in the eye socket here to help hold the clay. One thing about it, you don't want your eye falling out, because if it falls out and it hits the floor, especially the cement floor I'm working on, it's going to break, and then you're going to be out of luck. You're going to take the eye, I'm going to press it into the eye socket.